This conference will now be recorded.
So the last class you're discussing as a how to create the
mass user.
Same ID with the same password, different password. So you have to using as a method. The method, what the method you're using here? By using the scripting, how we can create the users. We had next one. Today continuation, same procedure. How to create the mass user by using as a another concept. Like so yesterday, what we done here by using the scripting, you do only for user creation. You try
Yes.
role creation.
No, sir, I will try. Actually, I didn't get time, so I will try.
Okay, now I'll go for as a LSMW also. How to creating array multiple by using LSM. Here LSMW is nothing but legacy. Okay, legacy system migrations workbench. Means now I want to take the data from non-SAP to SAP. Means first of all, I have to create one Excel sheet or using Excel sheet, I can upload into the SAP software. I want to convert that in, so I can creating a multiple users. Same procedure.
Okay.
This is nothing but third party. Then how I can creating multiple user by using LSMW, you can go. So here you don't have any prerequisites. But we do first of all when you're doing it scripting, what are the prerequisites you following?
Pre-request means?
The prerequisites you following. You have to go for SCC4. You can check the scripting.
Acha, yes, that is change. Yes, exactly.
How that is not required.
Acha. For LSMW, for that is not required.
LSMW is not required any other.
Acha. So what is the transaction code? It's the same transaction code.
Go for transaction. Yeah, directly go for transaction. You don't need prerequisites. Go for LSMW.
Acha.
The transaction code also LSMW. Okay, now see, so read it. What is that meaning? The legacy system migration workbench. What is that meaning here? The LSMW SAP system tool that will be supporting while copying the data from your non-SAP system. Like a dot Excel sheet, okay, dot CSV file, text form, anything I want to create. Okay, click on continue. So again, here enter the project name starting with ZRY letter. Z underscore Joydeep.
Z underscore basis.
Yeah, you can do anything. Click on create. Create entry. Again, enter the description. Mass user maintenance. Continuation. Sub project name.
Continue.
Create. Continue. Again, object name.
Object name. The manual I have to put.
Yeah, give just normal name only. No need to any other. Continue. Okay, then click on continue. Click on continue. Okay, now you want to following all steps when you performing as a okay, what are the steps you want to perform here? Create the object. Okay, object. Sorry, create the object. Object attribute. Define the source structure. Define the source field. Okay.
Source field.
Yeah,
Structure relation.
you can specifying as a one by one detail. Okay.
Okay.
So for don't skipping as a one by one. When you perform perfectly, the next column, but the last column is there here. The last action and date entry will be showing.
Yes.
Okay. So you don't define anything. You can define all things manually. Okay. So when you do automatic, is going to next step. Now I want to go for first one. Define the object attribute. Attribute is nothing but the field name. Click on execution. Again here the first one only can do the recording. Okay. Select it. So you have to performing batches multiple times. See here. Stand below and click on change button. It's a display mode. Click on change button. So below here, select the radio button, batch input recording. Similarly, same thing what we did previously, same option. Click on enter button. No, click on, no, the icon is there, no? The health symbol, just click on that. Click on that.
This one or this one?
No, fill the stem, the picture symbol, just click on that.
Picture.
It's showing right now there is no recording. So I want to create a recording. Click on create a recording.
Create recording.
Enter the recording name, SU01 description. The recording. Okay, no problem. Basis key, that no problem. Okay, mass. Click on continuation.
Transaction code SU01.
So now do properly. If you do anything again, create one sample user ID. Yesterday also you do the same. Okay, do one user creation, sample user creation. Now see here is automatically 10. Previously what happened, when you go for scripting, you can recording each and every field. But here this is limitation will be there. Only the mandatory field will be on. We are click on automatically scaling. Okay, now scroll down. So now here the color will be there. What the color is there here? So the user name, that is the first name. Jaideep is the last name. Okay, the password. What is the password you given? Where is the one more password? Initial password. Down.
Yes. It's showing.
Okay.
This is the password. Sir, what do you mean by limitation here?
Hello.
Hello.
Now overall data is recorded successfully. Okay.
Sir, what is the meaning of limitation in here?
Sorry.
You told that there is a limitation.
Yeah, the number of only mandatory field is recording. And automatically, what happened once the recording is done, everything is get output. Get out is there, no? Previously, what happened when you go for scripting, automatically you have to give the number of field. Okay, you have to go for
yes. I have to
So you
change
have to
the
go for
value
it.
every
The
time.
box is not back and not the record is not ended. You do manual recording. So here the limitation will be there. The recording is limitation. Only mandatory field will be recorded. Okay. Only the mandatory fields will be recorded. Remaining is not recorded. So double click on the verify. Just double click the yellow color. No, sorry. Double click on that. This sorry. User file is then after they have color indication there.
User file.
Double click on. Give that Z underscore first name.
Okay.
These are the field name. Default value. Don't cancel it once again. Click on Control Z. Don't the default value cannot change. That is a recording. Why change? Only you have to changing the blue the text give that name. Default value Z underscore first name. Below also you can make Z underscore first name. Copy paste. Copy and paste it. Okay, click on again below next one. Below again double click on that. No, green. Okay, Z underscore last name.
Date underscore last one. Check the copy paste.
Click on continue. Now initial password, same thing, initial password.
Here I put the password 1.
Yeah, password 1, password 2. Okay, now it's showing us all the detail. Okay.
Okay.
I want to
So-
copy the only what are the thing I'm editing now. The first name, the last name. I want to copy only the details. Okay.
Yes.
Just click on Control plus Y. So how we can copy? Just click on Control plus Y. So you have to copy that only what are the change? No, only the color. Starting Z first name, Z last name, Z password. Only copy that. Selected that field only. Till the value also. Copy the value also.
Value means
No,
this one.
the last,
This one.
the Z first name, Z first name, last name, Z only had copy. If I can click on Control plus Y, selected everything at a time, single shot. Below down, continuation, no problem. Second tab is selected first.
Okay.
Don't just you can selected everything at a time. You can select it. No need to do one. Click on Control plus Y and selected everything down. Just click on down. Why again? Click on again. Back. Selected means everything select.
Okay. So.
Don't yeah, correct. Now copy, Control C, open the Excel sheet, paste it, do the adjustment.
Yes.
Just remove the empty field in between. First of all, both are in same column. Okay, so you can go for different column. How I can adjust different column? Delete first. Delete the empty row. First of all, empty row can be deleted. Delete the empty row first. Later we can adjustment.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now what I'll do here, go for you. How we can adjust? Just go for you, data, main menu, data is there, na? Data. Both are putting two different column, not into same column. Then what I'll do, go for data. You can now remove the data, no, cancel. Go for you. No, not main. Go for main menu. You review is there. Text columns are. Click on text column. No. Not review. Review. Go for you.
View.
One option is there. Custom view or guide.
Sir, I can do it through the notepad also.
Notepad is very difficult. The case say again, if you want like know the notepad, now how it is looking like. We have to make a once again. I think the option is
Split.
data. Split is a column, that is a different one.
Acha, you mean to say that the
Just
first
copy
name?
paste. Just copy paste is better.
Okay. Okay.
Just copy, do one by one. That's okay, fine. Okay, now minimize it. Just minimize this.
Okay.
Minimize this. Now click on save. The recording is successfully done. Click on save.
Okay. Yes,
Back.
the data set.
Okay, go back.
Acha, this is the recording history.
Required recording. What is the recording? This inside of that.
Yes.
Go back. Okay, now just enter the recording name below. No, whether it is getting again, still is not getting. Okay, enter the recording. What the recording name? Basis.
Yes.
Enter. Is the last name is nothing but is get the recording successfully done. Yeah, let's save it now again.
Save.
Okay, now go back. If it is not saving means the first step is automatically what happens is going to second one.
Acha. Okay.
Okay, now the columns also reduced. Define the store structure. Again, click on execution. Again, click on change the button. Click on create. Create a structure.
Create a structure. Okay.
Give the structure name. Just name Z underscore master Z with the Z array.
This is okay.
Description.
Continue. Underscore. Acha.
Position, third position is not okay. Give the naming, just naming convention, not underscore. Give the normal name.
Yes.
Okay, save it. Just click on save. Go back.
Acha, it auto. Acha.
Again, define the source field. Click on execution.
Display. Create field.
No, not query. No, don't go for this. Select the structure name. Go for table maintenance.
Table maintenance.
So now you have to copy paste. See here how many columns are they? Have 4 columns: field name, field type, length, and field. So in the Excel sheet also you have to create 4 columns. So go for Excel sheet. Go for Excel sheet.
Yes.
So inserting A and B in between, you have to insert a 2 column. No, not row. Columns.
Acha.
Insert the 2 column in between A and B. One more. What is the second column?
Second column is
Second column is the data type. Okay, data type is a character C, capital C. The numeric or character or integer, so you can specify it. Drag and drop. Everything is a character.
Okay, and the second one is length.
I'll show that what is the C. And length 20. 20 characters.
So how can you?
Remaining 4 fields you can maintain. No? Drag and drop remaining 3 values also.
Acha, okay.
This is also. Now copy everything and paste into there. Paste. Okay, this is. Click on enter, save it. Okay, save is done.
Yes.
Go back. Now it saves. See everything is added. The structure is adding all the fields.
Yes.
Okay, but everything is added. Go back. Next one, define the structure relationship. Click on again execution. First of all, you define the structure relation wise and click on execution. It's not skipping one to another. It is not possible.
Acha, okay.
Again, click on change. If you want to do any changes, click on change. So I don't want any change. Again, click on save it. Just relation the structure. Yeah, cannot do anything. Just okay. Now go. So define the field mapping with conversion. I want to mapping with it to my system. Click on execution. Okay, go for main menu. More option. More. Go for utilities. Utilities. Auto field mapping. Go for extras. Extras. Maybe extras. Auto field mapping. Yeah. We can't
It's
change it, but
visible.
it's disclaimer. First, click on change. Now go for more. Auto field mapping. That is converted to your SAP also. Okay, click on OK, continue. This is the auto mapping. I'm doing auto mapping. You should go in the field name. What the field is mapping. Click on continue, showing the field name. Click on continue, get the idea. So now what the first field name? What the target field here? Z underscore first name. I want to propose it. I can accept it. Accept the proposal.
Okay.
Next one, last name. Accept it. Password one, accept it. Password one is not taking. Why the password one is not taking? Is taking. Continue.
Yes.
Okay, that field is, it is converting to the your Excel sheet field into our database. Okay, I don't need any table name. Okay, I don't know how to create a table.
Okay.
Click on save. Go back.
Define fixed value, translation, and user
Field
defined.
value and run it now. Click on execution.
Okay.
Again, click on. Just click on do some changes. Click on edit the entry. Select anything. Just just select the. Just select anything. Z underscore basis selected. Just do some modification. No, nothing. Just the structure name. Just click on edit. If you want to just small changes, just either change the last name. Maintenance. Continue. Okay, then go back. Not is asking specify, but click on execution. Now it's asking as a where you take the data. So go for Excel sheet. So I want to know I want to create a number of users every Excel sheet. Go for Excel sheet. Excel sheet because I want to load the data. Maximize it. Copy the first entire field. You can copy the entire field. First column. First column entire rows. First column, not everything. First four you can copy that. Copy that first.
Only.
First select it first of all. Click on copy. Copy is done. Open the new sheet.
Yes.
Plus symbol. No. I can do plus symbol. Plus symbol. Here only plus symbol. Sheet 2 you can add it. Open the new sheet. Okay, right click on. Wait, now you don't have time. Uncheck it. Control Z.
Okay.
Right click on. Space to specially. Go for space to specially.
Achha.
You have to go for select that space to specially. Click on that. Under you can select transpose. Yes. I want to the request. Okay, now check it again. So everything is available into the column or not.
Yes.
Everything to the different column. Okay, now we can tell the users. What are the users you want to able to create? Username. Drag and drop.
Okay, done.
Okay, now click on save as in the format notepad because Excel sheet is not app. Click on save. GUI, go for SAP G. Here. SAP, SAP GUI, even desktop also you can put, no problem. Give the LSMW. Save style.
And the text format.
Hmm.
Text image DOS.
Save it. Okay. Yes.
So I have
Just
to
check it,
close it.
confirm it 1 second. No, just confirmation first of all. Okay.
Yes. Yes. No.
Okay, everything is done. Okay, now go for, I can load this file.
There is a space in between.
No problem, no problem. You can do that. You can do during uploading also, you can specify that.
Acha.
Hmm.
So I have to close this one.
Yeah, close that. Don't save it. Later you can go for SAP again. Now, yeah, now take the data from your, like, no, here only, here only. Click on change button.
Change.
Okay, take the legacy, double click on the legacy data from your front end.
Legacy.
Yeah.
Acha.
Now can browse the file. Which file you want to take it? It's a document, SAP GUI, library, go for libraries, document, SAP GUI. No, libraries. Libraries.
Acha, libraries.
Document, SAP, SAP GUI, LSMW. Open.
Open.
Now you can select the format. Scroll down, the format is there. No, separator, tabular format, comma, semicolon. Scroll down, take the IBM document separator. Hold on. Now can take the, now you want, no, that's okay. It's okay, fine.
Acha,
Next,
okay.
he asking a separator is there, just putting the tabular format.
Acha,
Select.
so IBM does.
No, not that. Above is there, tabular. The simulator is there, na? Tabular,
Acha, tabular.
semicolon, comma, okay, blanks or anything. Okay, continue.
Okay, here the name is.
Give any name, just name
That,
LSMW.
yes.
We can't continue. Continue. Now it is loaded. Okay, below importing
Yes.
data, wait, below importing data and exporting converting data, both files the same naming. Okay, can changing the naming.
Okay. This one.
Change the naming. Just give the wait. Last mass you can remove here. Mass you can just remove it. Mass.
Okay.
Because both same name in the system is confusing. Anyone can change it. Click on continue. Click on save it. Save. Save is done. Go back. Now the assign the file. Again click on execution. So this is the assignment. Click on change and check it once. That is the directory. Okay, that directory one's perfectly all right. Okay, click on save. Save it. Yeah, save it already. Go back. Read the data.
Okay. Execute.
Click on execution. You don't know whether transaction code is created automatically. No, execution. Below icon execution F8, you can just scroll down. The file is reading now. What are the data is there? Just reading. So how many users you create in total? 10 users will be created.
Acha,
How many?
10. Acha.
Okay, go back.
Okay.
Okay, display the reading data. Now it's showing the user ID.
Okay. So execute.
Click on continue. You don't know from roll and to click on line. You don't know how many is there.
Okay.
So this
So read the data.
Yellow is nothing but just reading only. Still is not converting. Okay.
Okay.
Go back. File is just reading. Next one, display the converting. Now I do conversion. Click on execution. Converted. Okay, click on execution.
Acha, okay,
Not sure. Just click on again. 10 will be reading and 10 will be changing. Down, you get the read.
yes.
When a transaction is created, 10 will be created.
Okay.
10 will recorded will be written.
Back.
Okay, display the converting data.
Okay. Green means the converted.
Yes.
Create batch input session.
Clear execution. Click on execution. This is the background job name. SM35, you can check it that back.
Okay. Let continue. Okay. And then run batch file input session. Execute.
Okay, now that's okay. Select the job, run in program. To select the job, that is session, and click on execution. Where is this execution? Okay, run in the background, I think is that. Yes. Okay, run in the foreground, background.
Process.
Executing background. Okay, one is go back. Once this background job is successfully done, it's just going ahead. Okay, already the non steps is done. Okay, now go for SU0. The users are getting the background job. We can check it. Go for SM35. Either you can check it. 35, you can check it. So any logs are pending, processing. Some of the errors will be there. Go for SU0. This is
Yes.
SU0. Check it. Enter the user ID. Browse option. It's not clear. It's going on. Basis star. Put the star. One star. Not 10. 10 you can give. Okay, now it's getting.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Same report I want to give her one more user ID. Same extension I want to give. But what we'll do again?
Same what, sir?
Same report I want to create a few more user IDs also. How we can do that? Now you create a basis one. I don't want basis one. I want to create a few more user IDs.
Acha. So go for the LSMW again.
Again, go for same scripting. I can go for either one.
Continue.
Click on continue. Click on continue. Select the diary directly. Specify the file. First of all, go for Excel sheet. You can do changes. No need to do anything. Just directly go for it and specify the file. Go for Excel sheet first of all. Where Excel sheet? You create Excel sheet now. Where is that Excel sheet?
Just a minute.
That is a notepad. No,
I just
only
copy.
the field you can just only field will be a copy. Just copy the field.
Achha.
Different users, not same user. No?
Yes, exactly.
Enter the new user IDs. Again, save modified format.
Yes. So I have to do all the step again.
No need to do all the steps. Directly go for specify the file. Specify the file.
Achha, okay.
Every time is taking too much time. Specify file. Click on execution. Click on change the button.
Change and to just here the file name
Let's
I
say
have to change.
yeah, click on change. Now change the directory. Change the name of the file. Change the name of the change the file name.
Okay.
You can continue.
Change.
Remaining steps you can perform again.
Achha.
Save.
Save.
Go back. And again, assign the file. Now click on it. Okay, click on change. Click on save.
Save.
Hmm.
Read data. Execute.
Execution. Number of again 10 you just only created.
Yes.
Can display the read. You can continue. Okay, these are the new user IDs.
New user ID. Now convert
Convert the
data.
data.
Execute. Again execute. Data is converted. Display converted data. Yes, the data is converted. And create branch input. Execute.
Execution. Select second one. Second one. Time difference is 27.
27.
The time, see the time difference. That is
Yes.
not execute.
Okay. Background.
You can process.
So this is 01.
One is done, then go for S3 and just check it. Wait, submit this now. Jarib star. From 20 star, I think 20 star you can just.
Yes, it's created.
So means the scripting methodology and LSMW methodology both are same. Only one time you're doing. So the second time onwards you can just run the scripting file automatic. The users everything is creating automatically. Okay.
Okay. So the script is very useful for the SAP project.
Yeah, the production system. What we do, you have to create multiple users by using this concept only.
Achha. Okay.
Now even you have to make an automation also, na? You can convert into the coding point of it and can use it. Na?
Sir, can you please learn me to how to do the VB script?
Huh?
VB script.
The scripting? How to scripting?
The VB script. VB script.
How you know you don't know anything about the coding? How you can convert that?
Achha. Okay, okay. So
The
who
ABAP
just
consultant and the coding.
Achha, ABAP consultant is making the VB script. Okay.
Even SCCAT also is taken by the team only.
Okay.
Yes.
So we are asking to the ABAP team to make the VB script, and they just give me, and after using that code. We are just doing
Even
the script.
LSMW also, so many guys are using LSMW, not only you department. Our security department is only using for the creation purpose. Okay, for user creation only. We don't touching anything. Even the MM consultant, SD consultant, HR consultant, everyone is working on a LSMW as well as scripting. But everyone using as a different methodology, not into same procedure.
And sir, so what will which procedure you will prefer for the project? If there is 100 user I have to make, so
That is based on specification. Now, which one is easy for you and what is the company following? You can follow the same thing. No?
acha.
There is no best practice. Instead of you go for scripting editing, you can go for LSMW easy.
Okay, so for the scripting, we need to get the permission from the client also.
Yeah, you have to get the client. You wanted to go for SSC4, you have to check it. No, the client settings available or not.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
No, then only
And
can
so
perform. Otherwise,
if
you
there
cannot
is a
perform.
okay, so if there is a no changing in the SCC4, I have to confirm. I have to confirm it to the client also that you
Yeah, you
need to
can
change
confirm
the
if it is
option.
available or not. You can just confirm also.
Acha, okay.
So now here by using the scripting, how to create the mass user, okay? How to
Hmm.
creating as a even LSMW can try role creation as well as the scripting you can try for role creation. Do that.
Hmm. 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 Yes, I will do that.
So today practically do that LSMW scripting by using as a role creation. Do the two creation
Yes,
and tomorrow
yes,
you can
yes.
explain as a how to creating as a critical transaction code and critical authorization object.
Okay,
Yes, what?
sure, sure.
So that will continue for tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, okay.